this is the new project. It's a 99 EX, little single overhead cam. Picked it up for a great deal. Gonna be redoing pretty much everything on it. Obviously, I'll play the video here of the knock in it. Not too bad. Body's halfway decent, straight. We'll go through and now pretty much play you all the footage of the inside. We're gonna get it moved in the shop. I'm gonna remove the oil pan, check on these rods underneath. Obviously that motor's gonna be coming out, but while we're building it, not this one, I'm not going to tell you just yet what we're going to build. We'll go ahead, get it moved in there, see what it's got going on. Problem here, it's gonna be the number one. You can see it. Bearing is shot. Alright, gonna get it off. Okay, so got the cap off. As you can tell, there is some scoring in there. Believe it or not, the actual crank isn't too bad, so we're going to try to polish that out and get it changed over. Like I said, this is just temporary fix until we do the swap, but we'll get that knocked out in the morning. But other than that, like I said, it is D16. I'll show you up underneath here real fast, get some more light for you. That's obviously scored up pretty good. Just dirty under here. Most all that's just gonna be from going over on oil changes and then beating the piss out of it. But we'll polish that off, put the bearings back in there, and I'm not saying that is the right way by no means to do it, but that's how I am going to do it. Like I said, we've only got to get it going for like maybe 2 weeks before we get the other one in there. I would do it now, we just don't have it, so it'll take me a minute to find it, and hopefully have it up and running tomorrow. That way we can get this thing cleaned. Honestly, it's probably just the VTEC was so strong, it just blew the whole thing up. It's about 900 horses the way it sits. All serious. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment.